In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your page width on Squarespace. Page width controls how wide your content can stretch across the browser, and getting it right makes your site easier to read and more polished. Let's walk through it together, and I'll point out a few best practices along the way. Start by signing in and opening your website's dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Pages so you can preview a real page while you adjust the design. Open the page you want to use as your reference and click Edit. This puts the page in a live preview mode, which is perfect for seeing changes in context. Next, open your styling controls. In Squarespace, that's found in Site Styles. If you see a small brush icon or a design option, use that to get into Site Styles. Once you're there, look for the Spacing section. Spacing is where Squarespace keeps the global layout controls, including the settings that determine your overall page width and margins. Inside Spacing, click the highlighted controls tied to width and spacing. You'll typically find a max page width slider and related options for site margins, section padding, and column gutters. Start with the width slider. Drag it to widen or narrow the maximum width of your content. Watch the page preview as you make adjustments so you can see how images, text, and grids respond in real time. A helpful rule of thumb is to aim for readable line lengths, usually around 2 to 3 alphabets wide, so paragraphs don't feel too long or too cramped. As you fine-tune, also check the outer margins and gutters. Slightly increasing the site margin can keep very wide layouts feeling balanced, while adjusting the gutter space can tighten or loosen multi-column layouts. Make small, deliberate changes, and let the preview guide you. If your editor offers device previews, toggle between desktop, tablet, and mobile. While page width is primarily a desktop setting, it's smart to confirm that margin and spacing choices still look clean on smaller screens. If you see device-specific controls, click the highlighted options to tailor spacing per device without overhauling your entire design. Take a moment to scroll through different sections of the page, hero images, text blocks, and galleries to make sure your new width works consistently. If something feels off, use the undo option or type exact values for precision. When you're happy with the result, click Save to apply your changes. Finally, open your site in a new browser tab to view it outside the editor and confirm everything looks the way you expect. That's it. Your page width is updated,